Morning, everyone. So me and Lil Bo here, we just pulled up to the lake because we heard that Lake Orville was open, but we were wrong. I guess it's just for day use right now. They're doing a bunch of construction down there. All right, since it's still pretty early, me and Bo, we got some options. We could either go hit up Collins, Francis, or what was the other one called? Inglebright.
Yeah.
We're going to Lake Francis. Okay. All right. Let's go check it out. Look it up on the maps. Let's go there. There's this badass bake shop here at the little Four Corners of Bangor. They have the best jalapeno cheese bread, bomb pies. You gotta stop by. Bomb.com. We just got over here to Lake Francis. Check it out. It's my first time being over here. Water's low. It's pretty cool looking though. Man, water's low, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if we could even get the boat in here. This is...
Yeah, we might be heading back to Collins.
Collins, or... Yeah, we might have to flip the coin again. Dang. It's gonna be fun to fish a new lake, but it's just way too dang low. Bo said he's gonna cast at that tree a few times. I'm too lazy to go down there. It's pretty cool though. What do you think? We're gonna have to flip a coin again or spin the wheel?
Yeah.
What do you think? Should we throw bollards in the mix?
Why not? It's like 10 minutes from here. So.
Yeah, okay. Dude. Oh my God. I figure we'll respin that wheel. Throw bollards in the mix. Go and spin that wheel. Where are we going?
Collins.
We
We headed up this way, now we're heading back down that way.
going back.
I mean, works for me. I like Collins, so.
Me too. You can't complain with going to Collins.
No.
It's destiny to come here. The wheel spoke. Man, what a journey. First we stopped by Lake Orville. Can't get in there because the launch is closed. Doing all the construction. Second lake, we go hit up Lake Francis, and we had no idea it's like a little, I don't know, like a campground resort area. So real small. Might be a good spot to go during the summer or during the spring though, like on a kayak or something.
It's like a little Lake Wyandotte.
Yeah, like a little Lake Wyandotte. So just got here at Collins Lake. We're about to put the boat in and see if we can't catch some fish. We got a little pile of jigs. We know they work pretty good out here. So give these a run for the money. try for a reaction, throw some moving baits, probably start out with a spinner bait or something, do a little top water, see what happens.
Yeah. All the what? Oh yeah, yeah.
Bad first fish in the morning. First cast too. Ooh, I don't know if that's a good sign, right? He just ate it. Nice little spot. Always so big and healthy over here. Even the smaller ones. Big old bellies on them. That's how you want them hooked though, right there.
I was recording Joe Mart. I pick up my rod and it feels like I'm dragging across a rock.
There we go. Well, is that a little jiggy jig fish?
Choking bass union jigs.
Nice. Is that pretty shallow?
Out here.
A little further?
Yeah.
Okay. Must be that brake line.
Yeah, it must be right off of it.
Nice.
Small one, but fun little guy. Watch be a giant trout. Oh no, it's a
Decent little bass.
yeah, it's a good one.
Spinnerbait action. Couldn't even film. I thought I was coming over a rock and he was just there. Some pressure. Nice little fish. Yeah. Little fatty, man.
Are you serious? Oh my god.
Drop your spoon down there, didn't you? Oh, you are down there? You got your spoon down there?
No, I have my jig.
Yeah, drop your spoon. See the graph?
Yeah. So what I like about this 8-to-1 gear ratio is I can burn it up to the boat.
Right on.
I'll get him for you. Ooh.
Nina. Nothing like flipping the 6-pound line. That's a good little fish. What about a 2? Let's see. $185. I'll take that. Show the camera that one.
Another one with a bass union jig down its throat. That's how you like to see it. Probably a 1.5 pounds, maybe. Good fish though.
Pressure
It's not line.
There you go. That line's moving. Yeah, that's a good one.
He's got a biter.
Oh my goodness. Nice.
Hand-tied Bass Union jig. Right in the top of the mouth.
Ah, right in the kisser.
It's a nice chunk right there. I felt it and I was like, yeah, that's not line.
2-pounder.
187. Nice little chunk.
Buddy.
Oh, got him. That's a good one.
Nice.
Up shallow.
Real shallow.
That's a good one right there.
Whoa!
Look at that, down his throat. That's what I call a jig fish right there.
You have to weigh that one.
Yeah.
That might be a big fish of the day, huh?
Gonna be real close. $207.
207?
Yeah.
Nice, good job, man. Putting the hurt on with that jig today. That's a good one.
That is.
I think it's fish. Oh yeah.
Oh, I almost just broke my rod. Oh, yeah, switch. Well, we're scrambling here. Joe Mart's hooked into a big one. I about stepped on 4 rods. You want me to grab him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Open around.
Oh, dog.
Let you grab that. That's a
pig.
Let me see what's in his mouth. Look
That's
at that.
what we came here for. Got him on a little jiggy jig. Bass Union jig. Man. Oh my gosh, look at dude. Look what's coming out of his booty hole.
Oh, he's got a hook.
Oof.
We gotta try to get that out.
Oh my gosh. That's a good one, dude. That's my biggest one up here. It's gonna be close.
Yeah.
Let's see. Choke that jig. Pliers. And he choked it. See how much she weighs. Oh, it's close to my biggest. It's a 370. Man, that's a good one. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. So what do you thinking about this?
I
think we just leave it.
Yeah. Just let it do its thing.
Yeah, I mean, let it rust out. Okay. Let's get a picture real quick. Man, I'm stoked. Bosom whipping my ass all day. So finally, I got something to show for it. Just going home. Yes! Those hooked up. don't fall in the water now.
I've done that a couple times, duck hunting.
Oh God.
It's cold.
That one drop shotting?
Blind casting it too. Small one, but
I'm gonna get all the PETA.
that was pretty funny.
She gone.
Got one? Oh, holy smokes. There's a ton of fish.
Wolf pack?
Oh yeah, wolf pack of like 5 or 6.
I think the spin the wheel made the right decision for us. We had a blast fishing today, caught a lot of fish, a lot of 2-pounders, and then got lucky with that one that was a 3-7 on that jig that we made. So yeah, overall, man, what did you think about today?
Pretty fun. Really fun.
Thanks for coming out today, Bo.
Yeah, thank you.
Especially on such short notice. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.